Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video tutorial how to change the menu items on Nokia 110 4G 2023 edition. So as you can see, we have here all the icons of the menu, and we are planning to leave only one or some of them enabled. So to do this, I'm going to use SPD Service Tool module and the FURIOUSGOLD box. So let's go debug mode, select our model, and from here I'm going to choose menu matrix config. From here we pick our model, and let's say I want to have enabled only contacts and settings and videos, and we press done. Now let's connect. Let's power off the phone. And now I'm going to simply connect the USB cable in the powered off phone. Everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. Okay, so now in order to finish this, we need to reset the phone using the code. So let's do this. So let's check the items we have now. So videos, settings and contacts, exactly the items we selected. Also, if we change the menu display from standard to zoomed, we are also going to have the same items. So thanks again for watching. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.